Welcome to my channel and thank you for sharing my journey with me. I have started a 30-day raw vegan challenge 5 days ago. I already lost 4 pounds and I've never felt this amazing. I never thought I could do it, honestly, and I am surprised at how easy and how it is and how tasty everything is. I've been doing a lot of research and found a lot of amazing recipes. And one of them is the raw cauliflower rice, which I'm going to share with you today. Enjoy! Alright, so we take a cauliflower and we cut off these tips, the ones that are edible, and we're gonna blend them up. Okay, so this is for the dressing. We have some garlic, cilantro, a bell pepper, and a jalapeno pepper, and of course tomatoes. So we blend up the cauliflower to a rice consistency. This is what it's supposed to look like. And we transfer it to a bowl. Now we're gonna do the sauce. Cilantro, tomatoes, garlic, the jalapeno pepper. It's very spicy, so I only had half. And garlic, and the bell pepper. It depends on how much you like it. I put a little bit. And tahini. Tahini is an amazing raw sauce, and thankfully it's vegan and it's raw, so I love it. I put 3 spoons of tahini, and you can put a little bit of water if you want it to be a little more liquidy. I really don't like it to be too liquidy. And you blend this up. You don't want to break it up too much. You want to have like little pieces of stuff in there. Now this is perfect. It smells amazing. All the cilantro and the garlic, and just smells so delicious. And it looks amazing too. Just love this dressing. And that's it. You transfer it into the bowl of cauliflower rice. And you blend. And voila! It's delicious, it's spicy, it's flavorful, and absolutely amazing.